Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add withdrawal address on Binance application. In order to do so, open the Binance application in your mobile and then you need to provide your email address and password to log into your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, tap on your profile picture or these three bars in the left corner. After that, you will have to click on this gear icon in the top right corner here. Now you can see this fourth option, withdrawal address. Just simply tap on it and tap on this plus icon in the top right corner here. And here you will see this option here, whitelist. You have to toggle this on beside the whitelist and tap on this turn on. Now you just need to proceed the security checkup, and after that you need to click on this plus icon in the top right corner of the screen. You need to fill out these details. Now over here in the top you will have to first select the coin, so you can set it as universal address without any specific coin. You just have to select it, then you need to paste the address here. So just paste the withdrawal address in this section. You can even use the QR code icon in order to scan the QR code if you have it. Then you need to select the network and then address origin, and the white label is optional. After doing these things, you just have to simply tap on this save in the bottom and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.